Yeah, yeah, Zoe gonna come and we're gonna go to the hospital together at this time. He's on his way now, coming to help me out. He's a good friend, so I'm waiting for Zoe, so I'm not really worried because Zoe going to come through. Yeah, he gonna come and help me out right now. So what I gotta do, I just need to tie down my head because he tell me to tie down my head. Yeah, so tie down my head, keep it tied down. Yeah, so I just need to wait on Zoe to come. So I'm waiting on Zozo to come now to me to assist me with my head. Well, as you all know, guys, that I am getting married to Zoe. Yeah, everybody know I'm getting married to Zoe, so I went by my ex-boyfriend's house to see how he feels about it. And I haven't seen him in like 3 years or so. Yeah, but so I went there making some videos of me and how they was treating me there. I am a blogger. That's what I am doing. I am blogging. I'm just being a blogger. So after I made those videos, now my phone died. When the phone died, I take out the tablet out my purse because I had my purse on me today. I was outside with my purse. So what I did now, I take out my tablet now and was making another video. I see this person, he come through the gate and just hit me in my head. Boof, hit me in my head with, I don't know what he hit me in my head with. He just come and hit me and like take the tablet out my hand. He like take it and smash it on the ground, and then he stepped on the tablet and then he threw it in like a gutter. Yeah, he threw it in like a gutter, and then when I look, I see residents coming down. Yeah, and then he like, after he did me all that, he drove off. And then, yeah, I was there waiting on them to like come back, and they don't come back. So when I come home now, I realized that it's really big and dramatic because I never thought it was so big. I never knew this person would be so upset with me. I believe he should be happy that I'm going to get married and stuff. So that's what happened. But now I give Zoe a call and Zoe's on his way. He's making his best interest for me. Yeah, and me and Zoe gonna get married.